Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace LCD and touchscreen assembly with the frame on Samsung Galaxy A10E mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. Turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the SIM slot or charger port using a picker or car pry tool. Insert the car pry tool and gently move around the phone to release the plastic clips on the frame. Next, take out the back cover from the body. Next, undo 3 screws and pull out the top bracket. Next, take out the board bracket by undoing 3 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, disconnect the LCD plug and main plug from the logic board. Next, remove the battery from the body. First, move and secure both LCD and main ribbon cables. Next, apply heat to soften the glue on the battery. For this, we are using a heat gun. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive under the battery. And once you have some space, use a pry tool to lift the battery. Next, disconnect 2 antenna heads and button flex connectors from the logic board. Next, gently pull out the logic board. Next, take out the earpiece module by applying some heat. Next, pull out the vibrator motor by applying some heat. Next, gently pry and pull out the power and volume button flex from the frame. If needed, add some heat to soften the adhesive. Next, undo 7 screws to pull out the cover. Next, undo the screw and gently pull out the charging port board with the antenna and main flex. Next, apply some heat and pull out the speaker from the body. Now, the only remaining part is a broken front screen assembly with the frame. For the replacement, there are two different screen types in the market. One is with the frame and the other one is without the frame. It can be original, refurbished, used or aftermarket. Either version you choose, you can get with the frame and without. But the most straightforward repair will be with the frame. And the price difference is slight. I recommend you go with the screen with the frame installed. It can be original, refurbished, used or aftermarket. And this type is commonly available to purchase. Next, on the new screen frame, start placing the removed parts. First, secure the AP speaker. Next, secure the vibrator motor. Next, secure the button flex. Next, place and secure the logic board. Next, secure the loudspeaker. Next, secure the charging port board with the antenna and main flex cable. Next, secure the board by adding the screw. Next, secure both antennas on the frame. Next, connect both antenna heads to the logic board. Next, secure the board cover by adding 7 screws. Next, place and secure the battery with adhesive. Next, secure the main flex and LCD connector plugs to the logic board. Next, secure the battery plug. Next, secure the board bracket by adding 3 screws. Next, secure the top bracket by adding 3 screws. Next, turn on the device for testing. Once the testing has passed, finally snap in the back cover and run through the sides to secure the clips. And also add the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.